Hey guys, it's Taya back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my avocado hair mask. The first ingredient that you're going to need is one ripe avocado. And avocados are a rich source of protein, amino acids, and vitamins. They help to soothe the scalp and promote healthy hair. The second ingredient you're going to need is half a banana, and bananas are a great source of potassium. They have natural oils, vitamins, and they help to soften the hair and prevent breakage and split ends. Next, you're going to need some olive oil, and if you don't have olive oil like me, you can go ahead and substitute it with grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is great because it provides the same properties as olive oil, but it is lighter and odorless. The next thing I'm going to be using is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is great because it promotes scalp health. It fights against problems such as lice and dandruff. It also gives your hair shine and luster. Next, you're going to need some honey, which is amazing. It strengthens the hair follicles. It cleanses the follicles and gets rid of impurities. You're also going to need some lavender oil. This is optional, just a couple drops. Lavender oil serves as a deep conditioner for the hair. It gives it shine. It also helps in baldness and alopecia. You're going to need a bowl, some measuring spoons, and egg is optional. You can use it if you need a little bit of protein. Now that we're done with all those ingredients, let's go ahead and get started. Here, I'm just slicing my avocado in half with a knife. You just want to make sure that you slice it and go all the way around. Once you're done, you just want to give it a little twist and it should pop right open. My avocado was actually really fresh, as you guys can see how pretty and green it was. But I don't recommend getting it like the day before. I had to for the purposes of this video. Normally, if you get it a couple days before and allow it to sit, or just get it really ripe, then it should just pop right out. But because mine didn't, I just went on ahead and sliced off the peel. And now I'm just cutting them up into small bits and throwing them in the blender. So I'm going to be using the banana next, and I'm only going to be using about half of the banana. So I just split it in half. One of those halves are going into my mix, and the other half I'm going to save that for my snack later. Now I'm using the coconut oil. I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons, 2 healthy tablespoons of coconut oil. Again, guys, if you're coconut oil sensitive, then you can opt out of this. Now I'm using some honey, and the tip is to put the honey in after one of your oils, and that way it just slides right out of the tablespoon, as you can see mine did here. The next thing I'm using is the grapeseed oil. Normally I use olive, but again, I didn't have any, so I just used what I had, and I'm using about a 1/4 cup of the grapeseed oil. And that's it, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and cover it with a lid, and now it is time to blend. Okay, you guys, so that took about 5-10 minutes to blend. It didn't take very long at all. So now I'm just going to be adding in a few drops of the Lavender Essential Oil. I did it afterwards just because I didn't want to add it before. It's something new in my recipe that I'm trying. I think I saw it on YouTube and I decided to give it a try. So now I'm just transferring my mix into a bowl, and this is the final look, you guys, on my avocado DIY hair mask, and it looks so creamy. It looks like green tea ice cream, honestly. But yeah, now it's time to apply, you guys. So I am starting off with freshly shampooed hair, you guys. Everything has been done off camera. And now I'm just taking the deep conditioner and starting from the top of my hair and kind of working it all the way down the length of my hair. Now, you guys know that normally with my deep conditioners, I like to focus it mainly on the ends, but because this is such a all natural deep conditioner, and I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that my hair gets the benefits of each and every ingredient. So that's why I'm just applying it all over. Now I'm just going to let you guys watch me apply the deep conditioner just for a little bit. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys that here I'm just kind of splitting my hair into sections as well. As you guys can see, I'm getting it just all over my strands. I just want to make sure that each and every part of my hair gets the deep conditioner. Of course, my ends as well, because you know my hair is color treated. So I wanted to make sure that I do not leave those ends behind. So yeah, you guys can just watch me apply this deep conditioner for a little bit. You guys comment down below if you have any other deep conditioner suggestions or any other DIY suggestions that you want me to try. Maybe something that you've been considering trying but you're not sure how to do it. Just let me know if you guys have any other suggestions that you want me to try. Okay, now that I'm done with this side of my hair, I'm just gonna go through it one more time and just kind of separate my strands just to make sure that I have all the deep conditioner all over my head and that I didn't miss anything. So I'm just showing you guys here the side that's not done, and this is the side that's done. I went on ahead and just completed both sides, and here we are, you guys. All of the deep conditioner is in my hair. My hair is nice and saturated, nice and elongated, and so I'm satisfied. I love this DIY deep conditioner. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. You guys know what to do. Stay blessed. Bye.